as we trim the tree. How much fun it's gonna be together.
We're gonna have some fun in the party. It's
I've been waiting oh so long.
So long, come on.
I'm gonna dip with you all night long. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas.
Cause what?
Cause I got my baby. I'm gonna treat you oh so good. Do the things you never thought I would for you.
Come on.
It's
Let's go.
Christmas. You've been a good boy, yeah, it's true. So anything you need, baby, I got you.
You got me. I got you. Come on.
It's
Let's do
Christmas.
it.
I've been waiting oh so long.
So long.
I'm gonna dip with you all night long.
VlogMas day 20. What's up, guys? I'm at work. It's hella early. Trying to get some things done before everyone comes in and starts talking to me. Don't talk to me because we don't like each other, and I hate that. Why can't people just keep it 100, like, everywhere? If you don't like somebody, you could work with them. I could work with a lot of people. I work better probably with people I don't like. I won't be talking. I just get my work done. Don't talk to me. There's probably going to be some confidential conversations happening today, so I'm not even going to bother recording. I will just check in with you guys later on in the day. I hope everyone has a blessed day. If your lips are dry, get Bite the agave lip mask. Will save your whole life. If you put too much, it'll look like Pookie because it kind of will turn white, kind of foam up. You just need a little drip drop. It'll save your whole life. Your whole entire. Well, you guys, I hope you have a good day. I'll check back in later. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Only me. Only fucking me. Only me when I'm busy and I have somewhere to go does this happen. Like, look at this shit. Look at this fucking shit. And he's dead, just living his best life. Yeah, just living his entire best life. Like, no, straight chilling. I'm not going around you, bruh. There's like stuff falling off of his car, like flying off of his thing. All of this because he wanted to go on a ride. Looking like Valentine's Day and Christmas. Hey, yo fam. Yo fam, here. You gonna shut up or you gonna ride? This is what I have to deal with just to go on a drive. A minute of this, I give up. He's mad nasty. A nasty dog. His behavior is disgusting. He's just like his mother. He hates anything that is not him. Anything that is not him. She dead almost clipped me and looked at me like, I'm wrong, but don't cuss at me. Good morning. VlogMas day 20. What the hell is that? Oh, so my glasses. I am on my way to my office job, but I'm leaving early to go to Sephora. It's the only time you ever see me in clothes. Unless it's the weekend. Unless it's Saturday and I'm off. It's the only time you see me in clothes. Or unless it's Friday and I'm off. I usually get dressed on Fridays and do a little cute little date thing. I'm parked in my driveway, so I gotta go down like a little hilly billy. I will check in with you guys later. I'm just going to work. I hope you all have an amazing Thursday, Friday Eve. Christmas is almost here. I'm so excited for Christmas because I know that regardless of the gifts, it's gonna be nice because it's gonna be nice. Yeah. I will check in with you guys. I need to get a driver. Like, why my boo don't never be driving me nowhere? Drive me. That's really Ivy. Annoying him. Pouting. I sound mad nasty. I don't know what's, like, the fucking heat in the house. Usually, I be the coldest person ever. The downstairs doesn't stay warm because we have wood floors now. Before, when we had carpet, the downstairs would say toasty. But now the downstairs be dumb cold because they took out the carpeting. And I think that the wood should be a little bit higher up. Like, the wood should be to the level where the carpet was. Duh. So that all, like, doorways and stuff are easily kept the air in. But it's not. So it's dumb cold. It be dumb cold in the house, like freezing cold. I'm not with the shits. But last night, my mom forgot to turn the heat because usually we keep it on like 74 while we downstairs, and then when we go upstairs, we turn it on like 70. So last night she didn't put it on 70. So like I'm all dry, and I had a humidifier, and I sleep with my fan on every night. But last night was just not the wave. I hope you guys have a good day.